slow up. Downshift twice. Holy sh**. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's video. This is Everything S550. I'm your host, Zach, and let's get on with today. Alrighty, before we get started, I have my own merch line. Finally. It has been a much requested item because I've been going through comments and I've been doing live streams and stuff on TikTok, and a lot of people have been requesting I come out with my own merch. So I finally have released my own merch. It will be the first link in my description. You guys should go check it out. We got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got stickers, literally everything that says Everything S550. It is awesome stuff, guys. I highly recommend it. You can go check it out. It will be the first link in my description. Now let's get on with today. Alrighty, so today we got a very fun video planned. I'm super excited about it. One of my buddies just hit me up and said he is selling his Jeep, and his Jeep is a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. The thing is badass. He's done a lot to it. He's Linexed the hood. He did a huge front bumper upgrade. He has done a bunch of stuff to that car, and it is absolutely sick. So we're going to go check it out, take it for a little spin, and have some fun with the car. So stay tuned and let's go see it. Keys. Here we go. Put my GoPro right there. Let's go clutch in. Holy shit. So the person I'm going to film today is a buddy of mine. He has a badass Jeep, as I said. So we're gonna go check that thing out. He's done a lot to it. I believe there's an exhaust system on it, so we'll find out what exact system is and test out how loud it is, what power it's putting out, and have all that fun stuff. But first we gotta do this. It popped. Helps take my seatbelt off. Now the fun part of the drive starts.
I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come over me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real.
So this is his 2017 Jeep. This thing is badass. I don't know if you guys saw the front bumper. That's all custom. He Linexed the front hood, and he also has put on a Linexed rear deck lid or rear trunk. There's a lot done to this car, including an exhaust, which is absolutely absurd. It's the Borla S-Type, I believe. It's the first stage of the exhaust, and it sounds awesome. It's nothing too crazy, it's nothing too subtle, but it sounds absurd. We're gonna give it a little bit of gas on North Passaic when we get the chance. So, what has been done to this car from when I just had a small conversation with the owner, you click sport mode and the whole flash tune that he installed basically turns this thing into an animal. So he warned me, he said, when you put it in sport mode and you go hammer down, hold on for dear life. So I guess we gotta find out what sport mode does now, because now I'm kind of curious, but this thing is absurd. It is so cool. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this Jeep, it is completely for sale, and it will be linked in the description below at Car Gurus. It is listed for sale by owner, which is, it's crazy. The amount of stuff he's done to this car is awesome. He's modded it out to a point where if you are a car guy, you will completely understand the whole purpose of this. And it's just awesome. It's an awesome car. I'm so happy to get to show you guys this today. This is so cool. Give it a little bit of gas. Holy crap, this thing slips. That is nuts. Of course, we're gonna have to lower the windows down to get the exhaust note. the handling on this car is actually insanely good. I'm surprised for a vehicle of this size. It's handling awesome. I haven't put it in sport mode yet because basically this thing turns into a track car supposedly, so I'm a little skeptical to throw it in there at the moment, but we will find out how fast this thing actually can get up to in track or in sport mode. I wonder if it is just like another form of track mode. I believe he said it's pushing closer to 400 something horsepower. Here's the link, or here's the details of the car. It's a V8. He's got a K&N intake in it that's actually, or absolutely ginormous, and it's awesome. This thing's cool. So what's cool about this car is you have two options for the interior piece. You can go down here to the shift knob and slide it over to the left, and you can do paddle shift or shifting that way. Or you can use the paddle shifters that are behind the steering column, which are right here. I'm not gonna play with the paddles too much, but they are functioning. There we go. That guy in the Jeep next to me was staring at it. He was checking this thing out. Oh no, it was a Mercedes. Wow, I was way off. As you can see, when I'm just driving it normally and comfortably, the visibility of it is good. It stays extraordinarily quiet, and it only gets loud when you open up the exhaust, which is a huge thing for some people when they put exhaust on it. They don't want to constantly have that exhaust drone. This car just does not have it, which is just awesome to me. My car does get it on the highways, which is very obnoxious, I'm not gonna lie. But there's none in this car, which is huge. So if you're looking or you're interested in this car, the link, as I said, will be in the description. You guys should all go check it out. Okay, this may be the smartest or dumbest thing I have ever done. Sport mode is on. All right. We'll find out. He said hold on for dear life, so I'm gonna slow it up right to about here and then wide open throttle. Holy shit. This thing can move. Oh my god. Alright, that was fun. I'm not gonna lie. Let's do it again. Round again. Try this sport mode again. Slow up. Downshift twice. Holy shit. Thing is nuts. Downshift. This thing wants to run. Holy crap, we're gonna make this light too. I did not think we were gonna make that. Oh, and we are back. Damn, this thing's fun. Start in second. You gotta let the RPMs drive up to about 4,000. Then right when back here, 4. I was hauling. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna drop the camera and I'm gonna go park. So I must say my overall experience with that car has been awesome. It drove great, it handled awesome, and when you gave it some gas, it went. So it's just it's an all-around awesome car, and I highly recommend you guys go check it out. It'll be linked in my description. It will be the top link in my description, and then right below it will be my very own merch line. So if you're interested in getting your very own merch that says everything S550, my store will be linked in the description right below the Jeep. So Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end the video here today, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Peace.